Today we talk about how can you enable sound effects on your couch app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on your photo profile, it's going to take you to Expedia. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just you come here to sound effects, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's me sound effects enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.